Cerita lama sekolah Subah, hari pemeriksa menyentuh pum 5. Nyadi kekenang belama-lama, nya semina nyadi pengingat aja. Enda berasai umur damansang, maya sekolah Subah endang terbilang. Bala bujang darah endang steady magang, ulah enggau jelah lembau kangenang. We never felt that we were growing old. Back in school days everything felt bold. From grade 1 straight to form 6 told. Every memory now worth more than gold. Cerita lama
sekulamanya,
semina kenang
pengingat aja.
We used to laugh, we used to run. Morning classes under rising sun. No matter the struggle, still we had fun. School life memories can be undone. Endless days, but they felt so fast. Living each moment like it would last. Simple times we couldn't grasp. Now it's only memories of the past.
Cerita lama
Sekulamanya,
semina kenang
pengingat aja.
Tusaka mada lembau kanusi, perangai pemancal nada enggau magi. Dia tu dah belanati ke diri, ngurus kekuing penghidup diri. Hard to explain all the things we did. Crazy young minds when we were just kids. Breaking small rules, yeah we often slid. But every mistake is a lesson it hit. Got into trouble but we stood our ground. Making loud noise every time teachers around. Now I look back at the things we found. Those memories still echo the sound. We were wild but we didn't know. Learning life as we used to grow. Every wrong move helped us to know how to walk this road we go. Cerita lama
Sekulamanya,
semina kenang
pengingat aja.
Kenang ti lama penuh ngau drama. Mina berkongsi nusi cerita dari ketenggau ke dunia rila. Lau penghidup rebak ke dudi. Back in the days we were all the same. Now everybody's walking different lanes. Some became engineers building their names. Some are teachers spreading knowledge flame. Nurses and doctors saving lives each day. Content creators going viral display. Contractors building dreams in their way.
and some lives simple, but that's okay. Time moves on but we still remember school days burning like a small ember. Different paths but we're still together. Memories stay with us forever. All of those days still live in my mind. School time memories I'll always find.
Different paths, but we're still alive.
Those school